This helicopter has fought in wars, saved lives in disasters, carried troops, VIPs, and even cargo as big as a truck, a broken bar, all while flying in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. From the frozen peaks of Afghanistan to the jungles of South America, the Mi-17 has proven itself over and over again. And today, we're going to find out exactly why it's one of the most versatile helicopters ever built. The Mi-17's story begins in the late Cold War era. Built by the legendary Mil-Moscow helicopter plant, it's actually an upgraded version of the Mi-8, a helicopter so successful it became one of the most produced in history. The Mi-17 took everything great about the Mi-8, reliability, capacity, ruggedness, and made it better, with more powerful engines, advanced avionics, and the ability to operate in extreme environments. It quickly became a favorite not only for Russia, but for militaries and civilian operators in over 80 countries. At first glance, the Mi-17 looks like a simple, rugged workhorse, and that's exactly the point. It's built for function over flash, power plant, two Klimov TV3 117 turboshaft engines pumping out over 2,000 horsepower each. Payload can carry up to 24 fully equipped troops or 4,000 kilograms of cargo internally. Lift capacity can sling load heavy equipment like artillery or vehicles underneath. Range speed 465 kilometers, range with a cruise speed of 250 kilometers per hour. And here's the kicker: it can take off and land in places where other helicopters simply can't, thanks to its high altitude performance and ability to operate in temperatures from -58 degrees C to +58 degrees C. The Mi-17 isn't just a military machine, it's a Swiss Army knife of the skies. Combat missions, deploying troops, close air support with mounted machine guns and rockets, search rescue, flying into disaster zones after earthquakes and floods, firefighting, carrying massive water buckets to douse wildfires, medical evacuation, converting into a flying ambulance with space for stretchers and medics, VIP transport. Even heads of state have flown in heavily modified Mi-17s. From the mountains of Nepal to the deserts of Africa, it's earned a reputation as the go-anywhere, do-anything helicopter. Decades after its first flight, the Mi-17 is still in production, with modernized versions like the Mi-171SH and Mi-17 volts-5. These upgrades bring advanced avionics, better protection, and even more powerful engines, ensuring it stays competitive with modern Western helicopters like the UH-60 Black Hawk. And here's the crazy part: while many aircraft from the same era have retired, the Mi-17's combination of simplicity, durability, and adaptability means it will likely keep flying for decades to come. From war zones to humanitarian missions, the Mi-17 HIP has done it all, and it's still going strong. So the next time you see one of these flying overhead, remember a broken bar. It's not just a helicopter, it's a legend of the skies. If you enjoyed this deep dive, check out our next video where we put the Mi-17 head-to-head with the UH-60 Black Hawk to see which one really rules the battlefield.